Welcome to the demonstration of Train Engineering's 2000 litre water bowser. Now this has been configured for flow watering, and it's also plumbed to fill and empty, so it's got a self-fill system on it. So basically you've got a basket strainer there, you can put this in a reservoir, a pond or a lake or whatever, and then you can fill the bowser using that sort of source instead of using mains water. So obviously you've got environmentally friendly aspect there. So quickly going through the system, so you've got a Honda WX10 water pump, and then you've got a valve system there. So depending on how you configure the valves, depends on what you want it to do. So as it's configured at the moment, that is for pumping out the bowser into the spray gun. So basically when a valve is in the straight position, that's on the on, so that's shut, that's open. So it's open there in the bowser, it goes into the inlet in the pump, then it comes back out the pump, and then it goes, that valve's open there, and it goes down into the hose reel. Now if you wanted to suck back to tank, you simply just turn each valve, open that one and open that one, and now it's configured that it's going to suck out of the suction pipe into the pump, back out of the pump, and it's going to go back into the tank. So that's self-filling system. So let's fire it up and demonstrate how it works. So first of all, I'm going to pump out to the tank. So again, let's just switch these valves back for pumping out a tank. And that's it. So let's fire it up. So starting procedure. If it's a brand new pump and it's never been used before, there's a little priming button underneath there that you can pump to get the fuel going. You see that there, just under there? You can pump that, that's a little priming button. So obviously once you've got fuel in, check the oil, make sure you've got oil in it. And then to start it, you've got a choke. So turn the choke on if the engine's cold. If it's warm, you can leave it off. And then you've got little throttle control. But most important, just to remember that you turn the ignition switch to the on, and then we can fire it up. We're going to configure to pump back into tank. I'll open the lid so we can see the water going back into the tank as well. Right, so to configure back to tank, again switching the valves around, so switching that one off, that one on, this one off, that one on. Now I've got a reservoir of water in there, and now we just turn it up. So that's a demonstration showing how this bowser has got its self-fill system, saving water and the environment. Now it's worth mentioning that this is on a single axle trailer. You can have it as a twin axle, you can have it as a side tow, you can have it as a skid base. So quickly going around this one, it's based on a 2,800 kg gross chassis, 2,000 litre tank, and then you've got full road lighting, so as I say this is fully highway towable. So in the back you've got two 3/4 outlets. In this case we've got one just as a drain down valve, and then the other one's just blanked off. So going back round, as I say, you've got suspension lights, mud guards, Land Rover style heavy duty wheels on this one. And I think that's about it for Train Engineering's walk around of this 2000 litre single axle highway tow plumb to fill and empty bowser. Don't forget to watch our other videos on YouTube and check out our website trainengineering.co.uk. Thanks for watching.